Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate API security testing with 42Crunch, full guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the 42Crunch website to access the platform. Create an account if you don't have one already. Log in to your 42Crunch account. Navigate to the dashboard to begin your API security testing setup. Select the API definitions section to define the API you want to test. Upload your API specification document or enter the API endpoint manually. Once your API is defined, proceed to the Security Policy tab. Select from the predefined security policies or customize your own according to your needs. Review the security requirements that 42Crunch provides for your API. After finalizing your security settings, save the changes. Now, move to the testing section of the platform. Choose the type of tests you wish to run, such as vulnerability assessments or compliance checks. Click on the Run Test button to initiate the security testing process. Monitor the progress of your test in real time through the platform dashboard. Once the tests are complete, navigate to the Results section. Review the detailed report generated for your API test. Identify any vulnerabilities and remediation steps that the report recommends. If necessary, go back to modify your API or security policies based on the findings. Rerun the tests as needed until you achieve a satisfactory security posture. Consider automating future tests by scheduling regular scans through the platform settings. Integrate 42Crunch with your CI/CD pipeline to ensure continuous security for your API. Finally, stay updated with the latest features and best practices offered by 42Crunch to enhance your API security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.